Hey, guys, in our today's episode, I will show you the specification of Oppo R15. The smartphones have been launched and these are the company's latest flagships. Here is a look at the Oppo R15 specifications and features in this video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel.
Swag, bitch.
The Oppo R15 has a striking design. The smartphone is composed of an aluminum frame with a glass back and it feels absolutely great in your hand, despite the fact that it's not the most compact device. The light effects created by the unique craftsmanship on the rear are special and give the R15 a nice touch of originality. The Oppo R15 comes in snow white, hot red and star purple colors. The phone comes with a 6.28-inch touchscreen display. The Oppo R15 is powered by 2 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 processor and it comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 128 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via microSD card. The Oppo R15 is a dual SIM. The Oppo R15 runs with Android 8.1 OS. As far as the cameras are concerned, the camera has 16-megapixel rear camera f/.6 Sony IMX519 sensor with 1.22 MP size and f/1.7 aperture and comes with AI intelligent scene recognition that can recognize 16 kinds of scenes and 120 kinds of multi-scene combinations and also comes with AI portraits with built-in AI chip. The R15 has a 5-megapixel secondary rear camera, while the Dream Mirror Edition features a 20-megapixel secondary camera with f/1.7 aperture. These also have a 20-megapixel front camera with AI Smart Beauty that can scan 296 feature points of the face, which is 16.5% more than the previous generation. It powered by a 3450 mAh battery. It weighs 175.00 grams.